Hello. Today I will tell you how to log into your Lexis Advance account. Lexis Advance is a comprehensive online database and research platform developed especially for legal professionals. Through this platform, lawyers, law students, and academics can access thousands of legal documents, case decisions, and legislations. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video for more informative content like this. To log into the Lexis Advance, you must first go to www.lexisadvance.com. When you reach the homepage, you will be directed to the user login screen by clicking on the login button in the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you will be asked for your username and password. Once you enter the information correctly, you can access your account and access all content offered by Lexis. If this is your first time logging into your account or you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forget Your ID or Password link to get necessary instructions. The system will ask for your registered email address and then send you a password reset link. Once you have completed this step, you can access your account again. The Lexis Advanced platform not only provides users with legal content, but also provides quick access to the information you need through advanced filtering tools and a search engine. Once you log in, you can instantly search for specific cases, law articles, legal articles, or court decisions via the search bar on the home screen.